Hey, this is Ondřej from 7 Diet Meals with recipe for roasted chicken with root vegetable puree. At first, let's prepare veggies for puree. You will need few garlic cloves, some celeriac or parsnip and some carrots. Start by cleaning all the vegetables and cut them to large pieces. Now move everything to baking tray, add splash of olive oil and mix it. Rub curry powder and salt into chicken from all sides. Place chicken on top of the veggies and let it roast for about 1.5 hours at 200 degrees of Celsius in the oven. After that time, add some butter on top of the chicken, increase temperature to at least 250 degrees of Celsius and let it roast for about 15 more minutes. Let chicken rest for about 10 to 15 minutes and in the meanwhile prepare root veggies puree. Move veggies to pan with all the juices, add some extra water if you don't have many juices from the chicken and let it cook for about 10 minutes with lid on. After 10 minutes veggies are soft, now just blend them to make the puree, and you can also sieve the puree to make it smoother. Serve and enjoy amazing roasted curry chicken with root veggies puree. Thanks for watching, and if you like the recipe, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.